In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend any image background with Adobe Firefly AI. By the end, you'll know how to take a photo that feels a little cramped and give it clean, natural-looking breathing room for banners, thumbnails, or social posts. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly, and open the official Adobe Firefly website. If you already know the link, you can go straight there. The goal is simply to reach the Firefly homepage. On the homepage, look for the Generate button and click it. This brings you into Firefly's creative workspace where you can access different AI-powered tools. From the available options, choose Generative Fill. This is the feature that can add realistic content around your existing image, matching its style, color, and lighting. Next, upload the image you want to extend. Higher resolution photos tend to produce more convincing results, but most clear images will work well. Once the image loads, select Extend. This puts you in a mode that grows the canvas without stretching or distorting the original subject. Now extend the size of the image as much as you want. Click and drag the handles on the sides or corners to expand the canvas in the direction you need more background. Think about composition as you do this. Leave some space around your subject so the AI has room to blend, and consider where text or design elements might sit if you're preparing a layout. For landscapes, try to keep horizons straight. For patterned walls or floors, moderate extensions often look most seamless. You'll see empty or checkerboard areas where the new background will be generated. When you're ready, click Generate. Firefly analyzes your photo and fills the expanded areas so they feel like a natural continuation of the scene. Give it a moment to process. Check the edges where the original image meets the new background and look for consistent lighting, shadows, and perspective. If the first result isn't quite right, simply generate again for a different variation or nudge the canvas size slightly and regenerate to encourage a cleaner blend done. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially with detailed textures, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've extended your image background without manual cloning or complicated edits. This is perfect for reframing tight shots, adapting images to new aspect ratios, or adding space for headlines and graphics. Once you're happy with the result, you're ready to use your newly extended image wherever you need a wider scene.